Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple. We are so excited. We're going to be teaching you all about virtual deals. You can buy and sell houses anywhere. That is so awesome.
And we're going to teach you how to find them using social media.
That's right.
Anywhere in the country for free. There's so many ways that you can find deals for free. So we're going to be coming out. First, we're going to be talking to you guys on Wednesday. That's Wednesday, April 28th. And it's at the normal meeting, and we're going to have some time there to really delve into this virtual investing. We call it deals at a distance.
That's right.
Would you like to be able to buy deals long distance? I'm sure you've thought of that.
Right.
I'm sure you've thought of being able to buy houses anywhere in the country, any state in the nation. And so that's what we enable you to do, empower you to do, along with finding these deals through great social media
That's
techniques.
right. There's 15 social medias, and all of them but one are free. And we're going to teach you that, the cutting edge information. We just want to say thank you. We love Robin and Steve Love for bringing us to you guys.
We love the Loves. We've known them for many, many years. We've even been fishing with them in Alaska. And our kids, back when our kids were little.
That's right.
So Steve and Robin really have servants' hearts, and we know they're devoted to your success. And that's actually our mission statement. Our mission is your success.
That's right.
So we're going to work really hard, and we're going to give you so much incredible content and information. So be ready to take a lot of notes. I'm a huge believer in notes. I come from a family of engineers and thinker brains. And so we're going to give you some very detailed money-making notes, where the rubber meets the road, as we always say. And we want you to be an expert in these areas that lead to huge income. So that's what we're going to be speaking about. Deals at a distance, your virtual buying and selling, how to do it when the house is hundreds or thousands of miles away and you never even see it in person.
That's right.
How to be able to do that. Not just wholesale now, guys. We're talking about creative financing deals, what we sometimes refer to as pretty house deals in the Ron LeGrand world. Now, we know Ron very well, and we've been teaching alongside him since 2004. So we've been around a long time. Our book of testimonials is about a foot thick. And so we love helping people be successful. We actually used to live in Los Angeles, so we love the area out there, and we really understand the market, and we've adapted all of our techniques to really work out there or anywhere in the country. Remember, you're not just stuck with California right now. You can invest anywhere you want, and you can find houses for sale for $30,000 and $40,000 and buy them remotely, make big profits, and set them up for long-term profits. That's how the creative financing pretty house business works. We just picked up a check for $278,000 on a deal that we made about $500,000 on. This is one normal house.
One house. Who wants to make $500,000 on one house?
That's right. So that's the amazing possibilities and potential with the creative financing pretty house business. And now you can do it anywhere you want. So that's what really opens up all the possibilities. In fact, the riches, the wealth of the nation is open to you now, the way we're going to teach you on Wednesday night. Now, we are going to also have a meeting on Saturday.
Oh, yes.
And that's going to be a more extended session where we really get into more of the training and figuring out how to work these creative financing deals. We'll even get into it a little bit deeper then.
Do whatever it takes to come to this to the Saturday event, the one-day Saturday. Incredible.
May 1st. So I want you to write it in your calendar. I mean, don't schedule anything else for a week from Saturday, or it's coming up on May 1st, so very soon here. And we really want you to be with us on that incredible training session. And so we're going to have a whole, probably a 5-hour training. And really, guys, we don't even mess around with information that doesn't lead directly to a paycheck.
That's right.
So we get very serious very fast, and we're going to take you to the achievement of your goals. And we can't wait. So see us first on Wednesday at your regular meeting. We're going to have enough time to really get into doing deals at a distance, doing virtual buying and selling, as well as how to find them through social media. Isn't that right, hon?
That's right. Can't wait to see you guys.
On Wednesday, and then following that up on Saturday. So we'll see you in both times, and we are really looking forward to it. We love, like we said, we love the Loves, and they provide you the best. They always bring you the very best.
That's right.
That's what we want to always bring you guys, the very best training, because our mission
is your success.
So we'll see you very soon, and we're really looking forward to it. Can't wait.